Hi and welcome. This is Eric, and today I'm going to discuss Power BI filters. So these are really powerful features. It helps us to, I can say, refine the result based on the selected criteria, and there are different levels of filters. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, so if you don't know how to create these pages or dashboard, please watch my previous video. So we have seen visuals, we have seen fields. Now it's time to look at the filters. So first of the filters we see is we do have auto filters on the visual at the visual level. Okay. So you see that I can click here and this information filters, all these charts are filtered based on whatever I click or whatever I select. So if I select this, you can see all the charts are moving. By the way, I'm gonna give you a bonus. So if you like to, for example, if you wanna select the year and if you wanna leave this chart static, because I've seen where there's a time where you select, let's say, um, one region and all this becomes 100%. And I can show you here really quick. So I'm gonna bring regions and see if I select region, this technically becomes one, but let me change this to another visual here. Maybe it's a pie chart. So let's say if I select one region, you're just gonna get a slicer of that really, and sometimes you may not need that. So in that case, you can go to format, and you're gonna see this edit interaction. If you click on it, you can turn off the feature or on. So for example, if you wanna turn off this feature, if you wanna turn off, I'm gonna remove this here. Okay, I'm just gonna, no, never mind. Let's say if I don't want, let's say the total profit to change based on the interaction, I can just go ahead and say none. So observe this value won't change regardless. So these are moving, and for example, if I want to turn this off, same thing, I can just come here and have to find that. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Now that's for region. So for this one here, it's here hiding. Hey, I got it. So actually, because it was all the way up, that's why I couldn't see it. But anyways, now if I change this, regardless, these won't change. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this real quick. So again, to bring it back, instead of saying none, click the chart, go to format, edit interactions here, and you can just turn them back. So to remove the filter, you can just select this now. Okay, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and enable my filters back, and then once I'm done, I'm just gonna hide this. So you can get this by selecting the edit interactions. So if you keep on selecting this, you can observe now this value doesn't change and this doesn't change, even if you are I've disabled right now, that's what's changing, but you can enable or disable that information. So that's one way to disable the filter, not to disable, to use the filters. Okay. Second way, you can use the filter pane. And if you take a closer look, you're gonna see visual, filter on visual. Now it's all item types, and we do have total revenue. So, and you can add more fields here, and more and more and more. Okay. If you click down this arrow, you can say, you know what, I just wanna see baby food only. If you select, you're just gonna see just data for baby food. Okay, and these are the visual level. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down here. You're gonna see visual on this page. So it's just gonna be one page. Remember, we created multiple pages. This will focus on only one page. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's say bring region. Just gonna drag and drop it here. So if I select, for example, Asia, this information here, it will just be for Asia. All these information. Okay. So if I change this to another country, maybe Europe, it will be just customized for Europe on this page. And let's say you want to apply filters across the board in all of the pages. All you need to do is you go to this filter on all the pages. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drag this guy here, region. And for example, now if I select Asia, if I go to other pages here, it's just gonna be focused on one area. You can see this is just all Asia. So if I change this to maybe Europe, you're gonna see this is gonna be Europe. The map gonna update to Europe, and it's right here. And this data also, as well as the dashboard, you can see it's just gonna focus on Europe. So those are different ways to use filter. It's at the visual level. You can see at the page level, and I'm gonna minimize this. And you can use on all pages. Again, if you don't know how to create a page, you can go back on my previous videos and I've already shown that. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day.